So our applications with glass range from the bathroom door of Mrs. Müller in Recklinghausen to the shop window of a large department store in a shopping mall in Dubai. Yes, so this year when it comes to glass systems, we particularly have the universal corner fitting with a door closing feature. And here we now have the option of bringing the convenience features of a door closer to the glass door panel with a very simple installation. The fitting fits very well into the overall concept because we are seeing a general trend toward ever greater convenience in door applications. And all of this with an attractive design and in high quality, which is basically what dormakaba stands for. And that is what distinguishes us from other suppliers on the market.